Hi, I'm Bailey with Vex Robotics. I'm here again to talk to you about Byte, the hero bot for the Vex IQ Robotics Competition Full Volume. Byte is not designed to be the best robot to play the game. It's simply a starting point to teach you and your team members the mechanics of the game. We want you to tear this robot apart and modify the robot. To give you some inspiration, in this video, we'll share some observations the Vex engineering team and I have made about Full Volume and Byte. Full Volume has a field with no obstacles other than blocks. Because the goals are at the corners of the field, you might want to be prepared to drive from one side of the field to another. Byte's drivetrain has one motor per side that directly drives one wheel. This might not be the ideal speed or drivetrain configuration for this game. Speeding up your drivetrain by adding gearing could be a great way to get the robot across the field faster, but it might make it harder to control. So you'll want to carefully test both options to pick a speed that your drivers are comfortable with. Your team might also want to consider an entirely new drivetrain. Switching the robot to an omnidirectional drive such as a Kiwi or an H-drive might make it easier to line up with blocks. You can learn more about Vex IQ drivetrains in the knowledge base article linked in the description below. Byte's intake only lets you pick up 2 green blocks or 1 purple block at a time. Full Volume is about getting as many blocks into the goals as quickly as possible. To do this more efficiently, you might want to consider expanding your intake to hold more blocks at a time. That way, each trip to the goal will score more points. One of the limitations with this intake is that it can't pick up the red blocks. Modifying your robot to pick up the red blocks won't be easy, but it will take your team to that next level. All of us here at Vex Robotics wish you the best of luck with your 2023-2024 season. We encourage you to take a look at our online Vex library, which has lots of helpful information that will help you as you design and build your robot. There's a link in the description below of this video. You may also want to check out the Vex forums, where you can chat with other teams and get even more ideas for your robot. We're excited to see the robots and the strategies that you and your teams develop to play Full Volume.